Contrary to popular belief, inflation can actually be a huge benefit to mortgage borrowers. You see, when you borrow money, especially on a 30-year fixed loan, you've borrowed that money for a fixed cost over the 30 years. If we have inflation, the value of money over time actually goes down. And in commonplace with inflationary times, we see wage growth. So ask yourself this question: would I rather pay my mortgage balance back today at the present value of the US dollar, or would I rather pay that mortgage balance back in 15, 20, 25 years when the value of the US dollar is lower and presumably incomes will be significantly higher? Let me have you take a look at it from another perspective. Let's say that you were to qualify for a 30-year fixed mortgage rate at 3.5%. That's the fixed cost of money over the 30-year term. But inflation during that period of time ran at 5.5%. Well, what that means is you're paying back the value of the mortgage with deflated dollars. And each year you keep the mortgage, if inflation is running hotter than the interest rate, you're actually reducing the cost of the debt, and you are ahead in that transaction by 2% because inflation's 5.5% and your mortgage interest rate is 3.5%. Now, contrary to what many mortgage companies are advising clients right now, is to take a lower interest rate and take a 15-year mortgage. That is exactly the wrong strategy if you believe, like I do, that we're going to see inflationary times ahead. Because of the reopening of the world economy, with COVID opening back up and all the vaccinations that are happening, in addition to the unbelievable amount of financial stimulus, not only in the United States by the US government, but globally across the world. So we have this moment in time where we have more money entering the monetary system than ever before because of all the stimulus. The world economy is waking back up because of the vaccinations. And those two things are more than likely going to push higher inflation rates ahead, which means a long-term 30-year mortgage is going to be the best possible strategy for most borrowers. Hey, if you have more questions, we've written an article on this and you'll find the description below. Click on the link, review the article, and let us know if you have any additional questions. We're here and we'd love to hear from you.